north. Where you on your way to? I say Cloud 9. Can I fucking take you? Wanna get high? Go and pop some pills. Don't really do the molly like that, it's ill.
Huh?
More pop a flat, then grab a bag.
Turn up.
Bag got that loud.
Burn
I'm
up.
smoking that shit right now.
Loud.
Smoking on that shit. Got my eyes real heavy. Everybody know I came down like I'm from heaven.
Huh?
Ain't no straight rapping. My motherfucking city. Got it on my stomach, nigga. You don't wanna fuck with me.
Fuck the bitch from the front and I was fucking in the titty. Chi-Town is my city and my main bitch is pretty, but I seen more plenty, so I gotta get more plenty. And I'm all about the bitches burning gas like I'm a Hemi. Niggas wanna have an image. I'm blowing on that kush, nigga. I don't fake an image. I just do myself, nigga. I don't need a squad as a fucking bodyguard. I'm a little nigga, 5'6" in the pussy. I go hard with my bodyguard. Never rock his own trust a thought. Money over bitches and I'm at the top. Rolling through the wind like a kite. She chew me up, she didn't bite. All my niggas on point like I told them a snipe, huh?
Yeah, that shit just like that, bro. I tell you. You make some hits.
Oh, time.
Let me see this beat right here. This one kind of sound like that one, but it's a little different. Okay, I'm trying to come off of this shit. Whoa. This shit sound like Far Away. This shit sound real far, dude.
Damn, I'm really chillin'. Everybody know I'm about to be worth a million. That is fucking building. I put it on my children. Really, I got a daughter. And if you disrespect, nigga, I'll pop you in that order. You will never sleep when it's fucking beef. Every time you see me, you know I got the heat. 38, tug glow up in my breeze. And it be polo. Then your body solo. Solo in the ground. I don't fuck around. I'm from the 48. My niggas know that none of us ain't fake. Look you in your face. Tell you pussy nigga what's a man to an 8. You know that I'm a beast. You know that I'm the best. Put me to the test and I beat the fucking rest. And I think I'm gonna change my name like I was a test. Now I'm a beast with this motherfucking tech. Now I let it spray. Spray up at your neck. Every time they see you be like, damn dude wet. Word up off that blood. Hanging with the thugs. Rolling in the club.
Look, rolling in the club and now them bitches slowing love. Used to count a bunch of dollars, now a nigga stack his dubs. Ain't no bitches on my dick and they ain't showing bitches love. I give a handshake, there's no need for a hug. I don't trust a bitch, no, a nigga do not. Tell that bitch she suck my dick with condom on, cause she's a thot. I don't trust a bitch for shit, nigga, I protect my life. Fucking nigga, bitch, the first day he wanna be his wife, but down with smoking Mary Jane, this relieve all my pain. No more pain will remain, no more stressing, no more blessing. Gotta get the fucking money and it's on my fucking mission. Blowing on the kush, high as hell, ain't another division. And I'm high on past the ceiling, stacking money to the ceiling, cause it's surviving the killing. Blowing on that kush, I'm in it. Hand me the blunt, I fucked her twice, but met her once. I'm getting the pussy like a cunt, and you know I'm smoking skunk.
Smoking skunk.
Loud.
Pull up on them pussy niggas, you know they punks. And I pull over and pop my motherfucking trunk. When I come out, you know I got a fucking pump. Make them pussy niggas run. Make them run. Beat it through their lungs. Talking 38. Straight up off the 8. Talking 48. And you know my niggas ain't fake. And if you disrespect, I'll put this banger in your face. Then I smashed off that Mac. Smashed off that Paula. Niggas see my name, they be like, damn, he got them dollars. Take a nigga, bitch. Make that hoe holler, and this you fucking know, I'm out here getting dollars.
I had to get a job, I won't have to rock. Blowing on that, the bitches give me top. Trying to hand you the blunt. Okay, I be out the pack, I'm high as hell, I'm rising up. I fuck the bitch, don't get no fuck relationship, it's not a must. Cause you know the bitch I do not trust, she might just lust. I'm burning gas, some niggas burning dust. That Reggie shit, be quiet. All my niggas gangsters, but my niggas moving silent. And my niggas keep the pieces, but we keep it violent. Blunty on the bitches, so you know we steady shining. Like a Rolex, and your bitch gon' text my phone too many times. And I'm getting to the money, and I'm always getting mine.
You ain't zooming out? That's good, that's crazy. Let me over here like this.
You trying to go over there right now?
Yeah, right now. Right at this moment. I just called and told her I was on my way.
Give me a little minute, man.
All right.
Just a little minute.
All right.
Mama.
He trying to go give his mama some money. Hey, you finished my room? You finished my room? Huh? Well, you... Right. And, all right, I'm finna come right now. I'll do this one more time. Nah, in my fact, let's do the other one more time like that.
Go to a whole different one. I'm trying to figure out a couple of them motherfuckers.
All right, let me see real quick. Turn it up. Oh yeah, it's that real nigga shit here. No, I'm good. It's that real nigga shit. Okay, look.
Hop up out the bed. First thing on my mind, go and get some bread. Then I might slide over your bitch crib. Open up her legs, give me some of that pussy. Fuck some head. And I gotta get gone, cause you know I'm in it. And all fucking money, I just be swimming right through it. Think I'm fucking drowning. Need a lifeguard. I take a life, bro. The only lifestyles. I'm in the red car, getting high as fuck.
Loud.
And everybody know that my niggas told shit.
Bang.
Nigga come in disrespect, we off his whole lip.
Don't play.
Huh? Okay. Pull up down your block. Let go 30 shots.
Bang,
Nigga, we don't give a fuck. Middle finger to the cops.
Fuck 'em.
And I be smashing out fast. Pull off in that jag. You know it's yellow tag. I
Foreign.
be stunning on they ass.
Word.
You know it's fucking foreign.
Foreign.
The mother niggas born.
Huh?
I got enough money, nigga. I can go to 'em.
Huh?
250 states.
States.
My name, whole weight.
Vance.
Look up in my face.
Huh?
G's up on my waist.
Bam.
Gun up under that. Put that nigga in the back. Put that nigga in the back. Cause all my niggas in all black. Fuck around and get whacked. My niggas don't play. I'ma say this shit again. My niggas off the 8.
My
Talking
niggas.
48 every time we fucking slide up. Niggas be talking out they mouth off the side, bruh. They be talking like some bitches to them fucking niggas. When they see us, what they gon' do? Pull some triggers? They be lying. They ain't about that life. I seen that nigga the other night. He done lost his life. Huh. Thought I won about it. Caught that nigga in traffic. Let that bastard have it. Real nigga shit. Coming down the block, rolling off a pill, bitch.
Okay, you know we bout it. If they ain't got no condo, best believe I'm using plastic. I'm money over bitches and marble floors I be ashing on. I be getting so much pussy, nigga. I should get in porn. Up in her pussy the torn, like a nigga was on tour. Fucked her bitch too many times so I can fuck her ass again just like I did before. The lighter is right here, and I'm getting hella wasted. I Patron, it ain't no beer. Tell a bitch I'm a lover, then I fucking disappear. Guess I got too many hoes, so too many on my back. And I'm smoking on that kush, I'm burning gas of Cadillacs. And we smoking anthrax, and you know we rolling packs. I know niggas that be trafficking dreadheads, but not Jamaican. Blowing on that kush, I'm Asian, and I fucked the bitch with Asians. Then I took a vacation with that loud that had to take off. Fuck the nigga bitch, I called back, I took the break out. Came back in with more bands in my pocket. Money over bitches and I plug like a socket. Tell my bitch I'm burning the gas, I'm taking off but now the rocket. You already know I got the flow, it is my profit. So I'ma keep flowing, my money overgrowing. And I love my kush cause I'm always smoking potent.
Smoking potent. Y'all niggas joking. The weed I fucking smoke, I swear had me choking. That was just a line. I'm going my man. Think I lost my brain. I'm so insane. Mafia insane. Disrespect that shit, nigga. Blow out your brain. No Chief Keef, but my niggas 300 deep. And we in this bitch. You niggas can lose your teeth. Nigga, we can fight. We can pull out the pipe. Ain't no fucking handguns, bitch, we shooting choppers. Shit louder than the motherfucking opera. When I let go them shots down here, come the coppers.
Okay, I know niggas that pop beans and toe tools, there's no rules. Niggas dropped out of school, so you know we gotta get money cool. Niggas be kinda hot though, I'm cooling back like I'm in a fan. Money over them bitches, cause most of these hoes ain't none but fans. And I got it. Oh shit.
Going down that shit. Let me take this nigga over real quick, man. This nigga extra shit. So he can get back, so I can hurry up and get back.
Alright. Hey, let me get hit my line on your phone, dude. So I had a number.